Welcome to Siargao, the Philippines' tropical gem. From world-class surf to hidden beaches and natural wonders, this island paradise offers a plethora of experiences. Join us as we explore the top attractions Siargao has to offer. Our adventure begins at Cloud9, renowned for its world-famous waves. This surf spot is a dream come true for surfers, with its powerful breaks and perfect barrels. Whether you're a pro or just looking to try surfing for the first time, Cloud9 promises an exhilarating ride and spectacular ocean views. Even if surfing isn't your thing, the boardwalk offers stunning vistas perfect for sunset watching. Next, we visit Naked Island, a pristine sandbar with crystal clear waters and powdery white sand. Its unspoiled beauty makes it an ideal spot for sunbathing, swimming, and simply soaking in the tropical sunshine. The stark, open landscape also makes for some great photos. Prepare to be enchanted by Sugba Lagoon, a stunning spot surrounded by mangroves and limestone cliffs. Here, you can kayak or paddleboard across its tranquil waters, or take a refreshing swim. The lagoon's serene ambience and emerald waters create a perfect escape into nature. Sohoton Cove National Park is a must-see for nature lovers. Famous for its mysterious caves and scenic lagoons, this park also boasts a jellyfish sanctuary where you can interact with non-stinging jellyfish. The stunning rock formations and lush surroundings make this an unforgettable adventure. Discover the Magpupungko rock pools, where nature's artistry has carved out spectacular swimming spots. These tidal pools, set against dramatic rock formations, offer crystal clear water ideal for swimming and snorkeling, especially during low tide. Guyam Island, a charming palm-fringed paradise, is perfect for a relaxing day trip. With its white sand beaches and shallow waters, it's a great place for snorkeling, picnicking, or just lounging under the sun. The tranquil atmosphere makes it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. Daku Island, the largest of the 3 islands in the area, offers a blend of stunning beaches and local culture. Enjoy a seafood feast prepared by local fishermen. Relax on the sandy shores and immerse yourself in the island's welcoming atmosphere. Pacifico Beach is a hidden gem known for its laid-back vibe and excellent surf breaks. The pristine beach is less crowded than Cloud9, making it ideal for a more tranquil experience. Enjoy the surf, take a stroll, or just unwind with the sound of the waves. Corregidor Island, not to be confused with a historical one near Manila, offers secluded beaches and beautiful untouched nature. It's a great spot for those seeking solitude and stunning coastal views, away from the more tourist-heavy spots. Tayangban Cave Pool is an adventurous destination featuring a unique combination of cave exploration and swimming. Dive into the cool, crystal clear waters of the pool, which is set against dramatic cave walls. It's an exciting spot for those who love a bit of adventure. Alegria Beach is another serene spot, offering a peaceful retreat with its crystal clear waters and soft sand. This beach is less frequented, making it perfect for a quiet day of relaxation and soaking up the sun. Doot Beach, also known as Secret Beach, lives up to its name with its hidden and secluded charm, accessible only by a short boat ride. This beach offers a tranquil escape with its clear waters and picturesque surroundings. Maasin's bent coconut tree rope is a fun and unique attraction. Swing from the famous bent coconut tree into the crystal clear waters below. It's a thrilling and playful way to enjoy the island's natural beauty. Siargao's Palm-lined Road is a scenic road that captures the essence of island life. Take a leisurely drive or bike ride along this picturesque road, surrounded by lush palm trees and tropical scenery. Finally, don't miss the Catangnan Bridge, an iconic spot offering panoramic views of Siargao's stunning landscapes. It's a great place to capture memorable photos and appreciate the island's beauty from a different perspective. We hope you enjoyed exploring these incredible destinations with us. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Let us know in the comments which spot you're most excited to visit. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.